Welcome to the course. If you're here, chances are your soil isn't performing the way it should. Maybe you're seeing poor germination, weak plants, compacted fields, or nutrients that just won't unlock no matter how much you apply. And the usual chemical fixes, they're not cutting it anymore. This course is designed to help you change that, using biology, not band-aids. We're going to show you how to fix stuck, lifeless soil by reactivating the living soil systems that make healthy soil work. And we're doing it without the fluff, without the sales pitch, just real-world biology-first strategies that you can start using right away. We call this approach biological beyond organic. It's more than just avoiding synthetics. It's about restoring the natural systems, microbes, fungi, and organic matter that make your soil self-sustaining. Because the question isn't just, how much can I feed my plants? The real question is, how can my soil feed itself? Whether you're a specialty crop grower, a regenerative landscaper, or an ag consultant, this course will give you the tools to identify biological breakdowns and fix them. To get the most out of it, we recommend two things. First, download and use the Field Notes worksheet. It'll help you apply what you learn right there in the field. Second, take your time after each module and ask yourself, where do I see this in my operation? And what small change can I make this season? In this module, we've also included a quick soil health checklist. It's a simple tool to help you spot the signs of biological stress fast. So that's what to expect, a clear, biology-first roadmap for building soil that works with you, not against you. In the next module, we'll dive into why soil actually stops working and how to recognize the hidden signs before it's too late. Let's get started.